I think, that news that you had received about Major Bhaduria Kirti Chakra, what was that moment when you heard about this?
That's a very emotional moment for me, even today when I talk about it. So the call came, but I was not at home. So the call was received by my father-in-law. My husband was posted in Kashmir that time. That time we had no mobile phone, so we had a landline phone where the call came, and it was only told that he is injured, some movement in J&K, and in that he has got some gunshot injuries. And after a few hours, again a call came, which informed my father-in-law that he is no more. I was not aware. So when I came back home from my parents' place in the evening, so there was a very different kind of a silence in the house, which was like very unusual. That silence had that kind of pain. So nobody was telling me what is happening. My husband had told, if I don't call someday, if somebody else calls, so till the time I am calling, everything is okay. No, but if somebody else calls to tell about something.
He told you this?
Yeah, he had told. So they told, yeah, there was a call and he is just injured. So next day morning they told me that he will be coming from J&K. They will take him, they will get him to Lucknow to some hospital, and he will be admitted there. So I was like, okay, I will also come. But nobody was agreeing. No, what will you do? You have a small child. My son was 1.5 years old that time.
Okay.
So I went there. So I dressed my best. Say, okay, I'll meet him after so many months. He'll be so happy to see me, and I should look nice and all that. When I reached there, so they told me that no, he's not there. And they took me and made me stand in front of a coffin, which was wrapped in the tricolor, and his army number was written, his name. So I don't remember after that. Like, I believe I felt unconscious for some time. Yeah.